What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I am out in Fort Collins, Colorado. You guys know we've been doing tons of home theater work, automation, distributed audio out here in Colorado. So I'm going to be highlighting one of our preferred home builders, Rhodes Builds. We're going to be bringing him on and doing a quick little interview, and he's going to tell you what he can do for you. All right, guys, let's get into it.
Hey Zach, thanks a bunch for giving me the opportunity to actually meet with not only you, but also with your company, get to know you guys a little bit more, but it was really special to have you out here to Fort Collins. I super hope that you enjoyed your walkthrough on this home so you can see the work that Rhodes Builds does. We do everything from new construction to something most new home builders don't like to do. We actually do full-on remodels. We do from kitchens all the way to what you saw in this home that you toured with me today, complete demolition and rebuild. I'm one of the few builders that really enjoy not only the sales process, but enjoy working with homeowners, their selections, and really making their dream come true. And you know what, Zach? I have this mission statement that I have to stand and live by, and that is, I not only strive to meet your expectations, but whenever possible, Zach, we got to exceed those expectations. That's what we do, and that's what we do at Rhodes Builds, and I know Dream Media does the same thing. So thank you very much. Awesome, buddy. Talk to you later.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on my introduction to Rhodes Builds. You guys know that we are on a mission to put a home theater into every house in America, and we have a very extensive network, relationships throughout the entire country that we're building. And the important part to me as a business owner is that we have partners and people that believe in 5-star service and providing an experience to their customers that goes above and beyond, just like we try to do every day here at Dream Media. And I believe that Rhodes Builds has that same level of service, as you can see by the craftsmanship of this home that we're standing in here. Now, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. We walk through many homes all around America, giving you guys inspiration as to things that you can do in your own space. And we have all the industry-leading manufacturers to choose from with free shipping. All right, that's all I got for you. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
Oh my gosh, is that the Dream Media van in my neighborhood? What? Wait, Dream Media, come back! We need you!